Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading name in the field of land surveying in Bangalore. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd provides comprehensive land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction surveys, and more. The company uses advanced surveying equipment and techniques to provide accurate and reliable results to its clients. The cost of land surveying services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is competitive and transparent. The cost of land surveying also depends on the purpose for which it is required. For example, if the land survey is required for obtaining a building permit or for a construction project, it may cost more than a simple boundary survey. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers customized land surveying solutions based on the specific requirements of its clients. In conclusion, the cost of land survey in Bangalore can vary depending on various factors. However, with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, clients can be assured of getting reliable and accurate land surveying services at competitive prices. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading land surveying companies in Bangalore. Generally, the cost of land surveying in Bangalore can range anywhere from 10,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees or more. Quality and accuracy are equally crucial for any land surveying project. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of experienced and qualified surveyors who use the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise results. One company that offers competitive salaries for land surveyors is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. The company has a reputation for offering attractive compensation packages to its employees, including land surveyors. However, those who work for companies like Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can expect to earn a highly competitive salary that reflects their skills and expertise in the field. Land surveying is a critical aspect of the construction and development industry, and it involves measuring and mapping land boundaries, as well as determining property lines and establishing legal property rights. One of the companies that offer lucrative salaries to land surveyors is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a prominent multidisciplinary engineering firm with a focus on infrastructure development. The highest salary for a land surveyor varies depending on the level of experience and the responsibilities involved. In general, a senior land surveyor who has several years of experience can earn up to 8 to 10 Indian rupees lakhs per annum in India. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known to offer competitive salaries to land surveyors that match their skills and experience levels. Working for Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as a land surveyor comes with several benefits, including professional development opportunities, a supportive work environment, and competitive compensation packages. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the companies that offer attractive compensation packages to land surveyors based on their skills and expertise levels. Land surveying is significant because it measures and maps land to establish its boundaries, topography,